All right, so here's a look at the MUNBYN tray that we have down here. So I like this tray the best out of all the ones that they have, mainly because everything's gonna sit vertical. So this is not gonna take up too much space. And honestly, it just looks cool. It's like a little tower, and it's gonna come from here. It'll go up through here, and it's gonna print out of the printer up in the front. It also just gives you like a lot of space. Like you can kind of tuck this power block down here as well, just so it's kind of out of the way and it's not going to impede on the label at all. We're going to probably keep this printer downstairs because we're always printing out shipping labels or return labels, and I just didn't want anything that was going to take up too much space. I've seen some of those other ones where you know, they'll kind of have them disconnected, maybe something like that, and I mean that's going to double the amount of space that you're taking up. So having this one is great. Now let me go ahead and break it apart and I'll show you how it works. So to change the label, all you got to do is you're just going to lift this white bar up, you're going to slide it out, and then you can pull the label out. Then you could just go ahead and put another one in there. You just slide that back on and it kind of just sits in there nice and easy. These black pieces right here are going to have rubber feet, so this makes it nice that it's not going to move around. Plus, once you have the printer up here on the top, it's going to add a little bit of weight. You could also break this apart, so like let's say you didn't need to use this for the time being. It's nice because you could actually just break it apart, put it away, and it's not going to take up too much space. On the back side, it's also going to have these holes, which I don't know if this is exactly what it's for, but I kind of just feed the wire through there so that it's not dangling around in the back, and it kind of just keeps it in place plugged into the back of the printer. So if you're looking for a label holder, something for your MUNBYN printer, then I would highly recommend picking this one up.